What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth audio not working issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. And after doing this, it will refresh the Bluetooth settings and Bluetooth will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart your phone, press and hold on this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will restart your phone, it will fix small software glitches like Bluetooth audio issue. So after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now scroll down and here tap on apps. Now again tap on this apps option and then click on this 3 dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on show system processes. Now go to the search bar and search for Bluetooth app. Now open the app and go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of Bluetooth app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared. And after clearing the cache memory, it will fix the Bluetooth audio issue. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates and then tap on software update. And from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software, and after updating the phone's software, the Bluetooth audio issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth audio not working issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.